came so far from the bottom, couldn't even see the top.
Did this finish? Sure did. Perfect. You see, and look at that. On the fly. This is what I really enjoy about doing this work. On the fly, we were able to. That's why because I really need this to work, so we can have a good, strong testing foundation for when working on things that go on in the background, like things that you can't normally see, right? So that's why I've been very focused on getting the selenium wire, and that's why I go through their issues, because after I was able to address my own issue, I hope that I can also help address some other people's issues as well by sharing like what I did to troubleshoot when I was having trouble, because I've seen a lot of people having issues with the remote driver. I say this is what I did to troubleshoot the remote driver, and I think a good idea is like if anyone has issues using it, I would be glad to help troubleshoot it. And we can try to figure some things out, because I know the author is extremely busy, and it's so hard to like. I don't know him personally, but might have a day job, and he might and he's probably contributing to other packages and stuff like that. Which, so if I can provide some support to getting this further along, then I'll be glad to.
If you enjoyed the fascinating information shared in this video and you want more, be sure to hit the subscribe button to Tech Coach Ralph to be notified for new videos.